How to sell your car with CarGurus. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can sell your car with CarGurus. Alright, so the first step is to ensure that you have the CarGurus application installed on your device. You could also make use of your web browser, but I think the application is much more effective. So whichever one, just go ahead and open up CarGurus by clicking on it. And then after clicking on it, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you can see the shop page, and then by the lowest part of the screen, you can see other options like shop, sell, saved, finance, more. So on this stage, you can see that you are automatically on the sell your car page. All right, if you want to buy a car, what you need to do is to scroll down, and then you will see on start shopping by the lower left corner. But then, since you are trying to sell your car, the next thing for you to do is to scroll down to the point where you can see license number and then VIN. All right, so for VIN, if you have your VIN, just paste it here and click on get your offers. But then, if you have the license number, paste the license number here, then click on states and then select the states where you are located, or more importantly, the state of the license number. And then after you've gotten that, click on get your offers, and then you'll be taken to the next page where you would see thousands of dealership bids based on your car's details. All right, and then you now go ahead, check through it, and select the best offer from the dealerships, and then CarGurus will provide an estimate of your car's value. So use this information to set a competitive price. So you can see these two button here, such as shop, make, model, shop, body style. This is if you are trying to shop for a particular car, and then you can just go ahead and select any of this. But for model, you can also see the kind of model. So if this is if you want to shop, but for to sell your car, like I said, enter in the license number, collect your offers, you will be taken to another screen, follow the process, and then eventually you'll be able to list your car. You have the opportunity to list your car on CarGurus for 30 days. The listing fee is $4.95. No additional fees. When your car sells, CarGurus doesn't take a cut from the sales, so you can see how good that is. So monitor your listing, keep an eye on your listing, and respond to potential buyers, and you will be able to sell your car easily. So go ahead and make that sell today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.